Welcome to our tutorial on how to create a poll on WhatsApp group on your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. Begin by selecting the specific group where you wish to create a poll. Once you've identified the group, let's move on to the next step. Within the group, locate the paperclip icon and give it a click. Look for the poll icon, resembling a bar chart, and click on it to kickstart the poll creation process. Now, it's time to input your poll question in the designated question field. Craft a clear and engaging question that will prompt responses from the group members. Proceed to the options field and enter the various voting choices for participants to select from when responding to your poll. With the poll question and voting options all set, finalize the process by clicking on the Send icon. Your poll will now be created and shared within the WhatsApp group. Congratulations! You have successfully created a poll within your WhatsApp group on PC. Utilize polls to spark discussions, gather opinions, and enhance engagement within your group. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips.